Hi everyone and welcome back to Art with Miss Choate. I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. What we're going to be learning today is how to draw a frog in two different ways. We're going to do a really simple, easy one where we're just doing some simple shapes, and then we'll do a little bit more complicated one. So we're going to do a frog in two different ways. So all you need today is a pencil, maybe a green color, or whatever color you want to make your frog, but maybe a crayon or colored pencil or marker. But like I said, simple supplies at home, paper and a pencil. So let's grab our supplies and get started. So we'll start with our easy frog first. The first shape we're going to draw is a circle, and we're going to draw over and over. That way we're making sure our circle is as nice as possible. And you can go ahead and just color it in right away, keeping with those circles. Once we have our circle, we're going to draw two circles on top of that circle, and again, we're just coloring it in as we go. That way we make as nice of a circle as possible. Now we'll make an oval down at the bottom, and again, we are just coloring it in as we go. We're going over and over. And two ovals at an angle. These are the legs of the frog sticking up. And that is our simple frog shape. Now we can go ahead with a black colored pencil, crayon, marker, whatever you have. And we're going to add our details. Two little dots for eyes. A smile across the front. And our legs coming down. So there's our simple little frog, our first one. So let's go ahead and try our more challenging frog. If that was super easy for you, then let's dive right in. Now, you could do it with your same color, or you can go ahead and do this in pencil, especially if you feel like, you want to make sure you do this perfect. So we're going to start with two circles. Put them a little bit spaced apart, because now we're going to do a thin circle around. We're drawing the eyes. Try to make them even, or our frog will look a little silly, but that's okay. Now we're going to connect it with a flat line. Pick up your pencil as you go through, and we're going to connect it with a curved line. Next, we'll draw in our nose, two little dots, our little nostrils, and our big wide smile. Then we're going to draw a curved arm on both sides. That's our arms. Follow up with a second curve, and then we'll draw our fingers or our toes. Do frogs have fingers and toes, or are they all just toes? I don't know. Now we'll connect it with our belly, and the last step, we're going to do the back legs, which are curved. You see very similar shape on both the easy and the hard. And come out to our big feet. And that is our more complicated frog. So really, neither one's too hard. It just takes a little bit of time, and mine is a little wonky. I could try it again, or I could just have a silly frog. So I hope you had fun making our two frogs, our easier one and our more difficult one. I hope you had a great time doing it. I hope you learned something, challenged yourself a little bit, and hopefully you learned a new technique. So I can't wait to see you next time. Remember, I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So hit subscribe, that way you get notified when I post a new one. And comment below what you'd like to see for the future. It's been a while since I've heard from some of you guys, so go ahead and post it below. I'd love to hear what you'd want me to do next. Have a wonderful day. Bye, everyone.